I have a rainbow of beautiful paints that I'm going to be using today. So come along and see how this one turns out. Welcome! This is the second in a series where I'm emptying out some of the paints that I cannot take with me as I move. Moving companies don't take them. So today I'm going to be doing a double straight pour using these two cups. I'm just going to be layering my beautiful rainbow of paint, starting here with a fluorescent pink in the exact same sequence in both of these cups. And I'm going to be doing sort of a double straight pour with a little bit of a twist to it because I never do it completely straight. But I'm just going to layer all of these beautiful paints and try not to get mud. Do you think I can do it? Do you think I can not get a muddy mess? Well, I'm sure going to give it a try. Okay, all of my colors are in. I have two full cups, and I just love the way these colors look together, and hopefully they'll be an amazing painting. So today I'm going to be using a fairly large canvas for me. I'm using a 16 by 20 canvas. It's taking up all of my space with this camera. I'm kind of in a makeshift area today as we prepare to move. Most of my things are already packed up, but I'm going to be pouring these two beautiful cups one at a time onto my canvas in a pretty straight pour fashion. And let's start maybe, where do we want to put this? Maybe right here. Got to leave room for the other one as well. And I'm just going to start pouring, just a little jiggle here, really, just a little tiny circular motion. Now, all of these paints are mixed with Floetrol. I sure hope that all these paints are just mixed with Floetrol, but they have been sitting a while, and we're going to have to see how this turns out. I'm not sure what kind of effects we're going to get, but they should be about the same consistency with this, but we shall see. Okay. I love the way the cups look. Sometimes, I don't know, I just like to take pictures of the cups. They're so beautiful. But this is what we have. I'm already seeing some red kind of pearls popping up here on that one. And I'm going to go ahead and get the other one in as well. I'm really liking this color combo. It's not a color combo that I would normally use. And there's a lot of colors. You're just not seeing a lot of colors. But it seems to be working out better than anticipated. Maybe I should just empty out my paints a lot more often and get some really cool color combos. Maybe I'm playing it too safe. Okay, almost done with this one. There we go. Okay. Here is what I have. It kind of looks like two body parts right now, if you know what I mean. But I'm loving it. I really like the colors, and both of them are pretty consistent. So I'm just going to give it a torch, and we should be good to go. And I'm going to add some of this red. This is Purell red that I'm using. I have both Purell red and alizarin crimson. in this painting, but this is Purell Red. I need to use it up. I love it. It's such a bright red, and it's going to be really a really good placeholder here because I don't want to lose all of my pour paint, the paint that I actually poured onto the canvas. I don't want to lose that. So this is going to allow me to tilt my canvas and not lose all of that really interesting circular design I have there. Okay, I'm just going to spread this out just a little bit. And then we're going to begin tilting. And try to make it a controlled tilt so I don't lose all my paint off. I want to have a really interesting composition, and we'll just see what I can do with this today. Red is one of those tricky colors, you know, it can really take over a painting, and I try not to use it too often, but it may be my new favorite color. I really love this Purell Red. Okay, put the knife down, put the knife down. Just trying to make sure everything's covered and ready to go. And let's do some tilting. Digging this one. I love the movement. Let me give it a quick torch and pop any bubbles, and if any of these little red pearls, little red cells want to go ahead and expand, we'll let them. I don't see any gunk in this paint, even though this is some pretty old paint that I'm getting rid of because I can't take it with me. And this is a very red painting, but I am loving it. I am loving the movement and the color combo on this one. It almost has a feel of a cloud pour in some places, but it's very organic. I'm just love the movement, and I have left some negative space with that Purell Red, and I just think it gives it a little more interest. Now look at those cups. Aren't they beautiful? I just love looking at these cups after you pour. You can see there's even little pearls down in the cups. You might be asking, how did this dry? Well, let me show you. It dried exactly like it looked when it was done. The pearls expanded just a little bit, but the paint didn't move. There was no gunk in the paint. It was one of those where you go, oh my gosh, this was a success. Didn't mean for it to happen, but it is more of a success than I thought it would be. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And check out these videos if you're interested in more videos.